Hey, welcome back. I'm Steve, your manager at fixitsmartly.com. If you're tired of spending a fortune on repairs, you're in the right place. Today, we're dealing with drywall water damage. If you notice dark spots or sagging drywall, it's a sign that water has made its way in. First, make sure to locate and fix the source of the leak, whether it's from a roof leak, burst pipe, or another issue. Once the source is fixed, it's time to repair the drywall. Cut out the damaged area with a drywall saw and remove any wet insulation behind it. Next, measure and cut a new piece of drywall to fit, then screw it into place. Apply drywall joint compound around the seams and smooth it out with a drywall knife. Once it dries, sand it down and apply a second coat of compound. After that's dry, sand it again for a smooth finish and you're done. Repainting may be necessary to match the surrounding area. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more money-saving home repair tips. What's the next problem you'd like me to show you how to fix? Leave a comment below. Let's keep saving money and taking charge of our homes. I'll see you in the next one.